Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and it is Alvin with you, your photographer and retoucher. Basically, I've been wondering, since we know how to like screenshot using our smartphone, our iPhone and others, is there a possibility of us knowing how to screenshot using our PC? Well, I made research online and I saw a video, one or two videos on that. I want to share it with you guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you can get notified when I post content like this. So let's go.
Okay, so we are live. So now all you gotta do is I'm gonna use my Scream keyboard because my keyboard is really bad right now. So you gotta hold your Windows key, your Shift key, and the S key. So now this one's gonna pop up on your screen. So all you gotta do is to choose the area you want to screen record and just click and drag down. Like I want to screenshot this particular picture. Okay, so now your photo has been screenshotted and it's about to show. You're gonna show on this area over here. Okay, this is our screenshotted image. So how do you save it? All you gotta do is to click on the image, expand it, then you hit this save. Then it's gonna save anywhere. You're gonna put it in your downloads, your documents, your desktop. I want to put it on my desktop for us to see it more clear. And it's going to be saved on a PNG format. You can put it on a JPEG format, GIF format. I don't know what that is, but it's a format. Then you click on save, and that's all you need to know about screenshotting on your PC.
Now that is how you screenshot using your PC. And if this content was really helpful to you guys, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, so that when I post content like this, now be the first to take. People will be the first. People will be the first to be notified when I post content like this. Understand? Oh yeah, now. We'll see you later now.